Negative thinking. It's something we all face. Sometimes our mind just won't stop replaying doubts, fears, or painful memories. And the more we focus on them, the heavier we feel. But here's the truth. Negative thoughts don't have to control you. You can break free. And one simple tool to help you do that is the pause method. Let's walk through it step by step. Pause. When a negative thought shows up, don't fight it, and don't let it drag you further down. Just pause. Take a deep breath in and out. That single pause breaks the automatic cycle in your mind. Ask. Now ask yourself questions. Is this thought even true? Is it helping me or is it draining me? Will it matter tomorrow or next week? When you challenge your thoughts, many of them lose their power immediately. Understand. Instead of judging yourself, try to understand where this thought comes from. Maybe it's fear of failure. Maybe it's comparison or a past mistake. When you see the root, you realize the thought doesn't define you. It's just a reflection of old emotions. Say. This is the step most people skip. You have to say something positive to yourself. Replace the negative with words that empower you. Instead of, I'm not good enough, say, I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm enough right now. The words you speak to yourself shape the reality you live in. Experience. Finally, experience the shift. Feel the calm that comes when you stop fueling negativity. Experience the relief, the confidence, the lightness. This is your mind proving to you that you're in control. So next time negativity tries to take over, remember, pause. Pause. Ask, understand, say, experience. You don't have to believe every thought you think. You have the power to choose, to let go, and to reset your mind.